Hey guys, it's Tag from WX4TAG. I had a question on the last video that I had posted about the Yaesu FRG 7700 antenna. I kind of did it as a temporary thing, but so far it's been working pretty good, and I'm just going to leave it for now. But all it is I have a 100-foot wire attached to the pillar of the porch, and then of course, you know, it just runs into the window, and the radio's on the other side of the window. And it's just a 100-foot piece of speaker wire that I've got running across the yard, and I don't know if you can see that in there, but it just goes up into that tree. And it's been working pretty good so far. I'm sure I will make a different antenna that's a little more performant, high performance, I guess you could say. But so far so good. It's working, you know, for what I need to do with it. And that's pretty much it. So until next time, 73. Please like, comment, and subscribe.